all, welcome to my channel. These are yellow squash, and this is the time when your yellow squash start getting powdery mildew. So what you have to do if your squash has got powdery mildew, like this one has got, you can see these little spots right here. This has got powdery mildew. This one is just fine. So I have to protect this one, and I have to cure this one also. So what I'm doing, there were some extra shoots growing right here. These ones, they just grew so many right here. So I'm just cutting all those here. You can see this one, I'm cutting all these. So I will just have one shoot going up, so I don't have too many leaves on the plant, and this main branch would be producing the fruit, right? So I have cut these ones, and I'm cutting, there were so many here, so I'm cutting these ones also right from here, right here. Cut all those extra shoots. They might produce the fruit, but actually they're taking the energy from your main plant and not doing anything here, right? They have not, they do produce sometimes, but not that good fruit. So I'm just cutting all these so it becomes less dense here, right? I'm cutting all these so I just have main branch going up and not these extra shoots growing everywhere, right? This one is down here and right here. So you can see this one stem, whole stem is becoming very clean now, right? And here, this one also I have to cut these all, right? Because my main branch is still up there, main plant. So I'm gonna cut whichever is here. I'm just gonna cut all those, right? This one also. Plus the leaves, the one are affected from the mildew. You have to cut those right here and keep them absolutely separate. Don't let them touch to other plants, right? So I'm going to cut all leaves, actually, not just the one are affected. I'm going to cut all the leaves from here, just leaving few leaves on the tip, on this one also and this one, both ones. And then I'm going to spray copper fungicide on them. I'm going to show you. Let me just cut the whole thing first, whatever I need to, and then I'll be back. So here they are, everything. They were producing the fruits though, those extra shoots, but I just want this one main branch to produce the fruit for me now. I have actually grown new ones now, so they will be ready, but you know, they will give me fruit as long as they can. And this one is right here, the one had got the powdery mildew. This had this little squash on the top right here. Accidentally I have cut it, but that's fine. So now this would be disease free at least for some time. And what I would do, I'm gonna go clean my gloves and clean this stuff through it, and then I will spray some copper fungicide. I'm going to show you that. So here is my copper liquid copper fungicide, and you mix with the water. It has the instructions on them. You can buy any one, so it doesn't really matter which one I'm doing. So you can buy any, right? And this is my sprayer. I have filled in this, and what I'm going to do, I will spray the roots first, right? At the bottom I'm going to do, and the stem, and then the leaves on the top. So you have to spray the leaves at the bottom, like the below side and the upper side. Everywhere I'm going to soak it, and then after 3 days I will do it again, and I will keep repeating it. I do it actually once a week, but we had rain, so I couldn't do it. Actually, I did one day in the rain, just before the rain got washed out, so probably it wasn't effective. But yeah, so I'm gonna do now, and then I will keep repeating it. I will do it in 3 days, and then after another 3 days, until I see no sign of fungicide, and then I will start preventive care back again, but do it once a week. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do here. So here is my sprayer right here. So I'm just going to spray right here at the roots. So a little bit goes in the roots also, and then I'm going to spray the whole trunk, stem here, everything. You can spray on the fruits also, not a problem. You can eat the fruit after, so that is fine, right? So here it is. I just soaked it completely, and then I'm going to soak it at the bottom like this here, everywhere. So goes here, and then on the top right here, everywhere. I'm going to soak it completely. Here is dripping down, you can see right here. And the same thing is with the other one. I'm going to do at the bottom, and then keep going on the stem or the trunk, whatever you want to call it, and then whole thing here, everywhere, and then at the down on the leaves, like underside of the leaves, and at the top, completely soaking, completely, right? So so that's why we cut the leaves before, so we don't spray on those leaves which are not going to get cured. So we cut those ones first, and then we soak completely our leaves in a whole plant. Actually, it's dripping down. That's fine. I'm not wasting, because it's going in the dirt, in the ground, so would be killing the fungicide there. And then that's all total, and then repeat it after 2-3 days, and again after 2-3 days, then you can just do preventive. And just in case if you don't have the copper fungicide, or you don't want to buy right away, so if you have hydrogen peroxide, that also works pretty fine. So 4 parts of water and 1 part of hydrogen peroxide and some dish soap. So what dish soap does, it makes the solution stick to the leaves. That's what soap does, and it kills the bugs also, actually. So you can use that, and actually you can use little baking soda also, but make sure you use very little, right? So water, and put a little baking soda in that, and you can spray that. But what happens sometimes, if you put too much, then leaves whatever you're putting on, whatever the affected part is, that becomes black, brown, right? So but it cures the fungus, but you know, they become like blackish, but the new leaves will come just fine. So you can use your baking soda also, just little, like pinch, like in 1 liter, I would say like quarter teaspoon would be fine, right? Because I have put on my, last year actually, I had put on my zinnias, and that worked very well. But again, as I said, the affected leaves become black. So I mean, your choice, whatever you want to put, but that works too. So thank you very much for watching my video. Hope you liked the information. Please do like and subscribe to my channel if you liked it, and I'll see you some other time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.